Welcome to our channel. Today we are diving into the exciting world of college football 25 Dynasty mode. Whether you are a seasoned player or a newcomer, this guide will help you to build a powerhouse team and dominate the field for up to 30 seasons. Let's get started. First, choose your dynasty settings. First, decided between offline or online dynasty. When you selecting your roster, opt for the active roster updated by the EA Sports for the most current players' stats. Customize your league settings, including difficulty and conference rule. Want to bring back the glory of the Pac 12? You can adjust division and game formats to fit your vision. Step 2. Selecting your school. Forget the endless debates about which school to choose. Pick one that excites you. Each school is graded on various factors that affects recruiting. Check the My School menu to understand how to improve your school's grade and attract top talents. Remember, you can always switch school later if needed. Step 3. Pick your coaching roles. You can start as a head coach, offensive coordinator, or defensive coordinator. For beginners, we recommended starting as a head coach to manage all aspects of your team effectively. This role allows you to customize your schedule and make strategic decisions right from the get to. Step 4. Mastering recruitment. Recruiting is key to building a dynasty. Focus on important player attributes rather than just overall ratings. Use the recruiting board to track potential recruits and manages your scholarship wisely. Remember, a strong recruiting strategy can set you apart from your competition. Step 5. Gameplay strategies. In game, utilize new offensive plays like pros and classic strategies like the triple option to keep your opponents guessing. Don't forget about managing players' fatigue with auto subs to maintain peak performance throughout the season. Now that now that you have a roadmap to success in college football 25 dynasty mode, it's time to hit the field. Remember, whether you are aiming to championship or building a legacy, each decision counts. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Happy coaching.